All right, hello everyone. My name is Daniel Cottle. This is part one of the new web-based application that I'm going to show everyone here. I'm going to start off with the website canva.com. You may or may not be familiar with this one, but I have recently used this a few times in my computer applications classes, and I feel like it is incredibly helpful. What this is, as you can see here, it allows you to create everything from basic documents, full-fledged presentations, video presentations, actually similar to what I'm doing right now. You can put presentations together and put video, audio presentations together to show off to people like that. And you can even go in here and create, there's too many things to really get into in this short video, but as you can see here, there's really a lot of different interactive features. That's why I really like it so much. It also gives you suggestions once you go in here. For example, when you create a design, it will give you everything, all kinds of different things to work with. And for example, once you start with just a blank, you can start with just a blank presentation, and it will very quickly give you suggestions to go with to make it very, very colorful. So I tell people, even if you're not that creative, you can still make it look very interesting and not just a boring blank screen with some font on it. So the ideal purpose here it really is for the students to just explore their creativity with everything from basic documents up to bigger presentations for really just not just computer applications classes, but really any kind of subject. Could be for art classes, could be for science projects, anything of the sort. As far as, and I feel like this applies to IST standard, both the 5.4a and 3.1b in terms of the educational leaders by designing CT activities where data can be obtained, analyzed, represented to support problem solving and learning in other content areas, as well as 3.1b, which discusses ensuring that all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. I definitely feel like that is applicable here. So that is the first application that I'd like to show you here.